Back pain. In fact, I was thinking about seeing an orthopedic surgeon because my back was so bad that I couldn't get through the day. I was very concerned that I had damaged my back, and I couldn't sleep. I couldn't hardly walk. I couldn't bend over. I couldn't even pick up my purse. It was so bad.
Okay. And how was the quality of your life affected by your back pain?
Like I said, I just couldn't do anything. I was very concerned that I was going to have back surgery. It was so bad. I ached from the time I got up till the time I went to bed, and even couldn't sleep well because it hurt so bad. I'm talking 180. Because of Jimmy Yin, I am a new person. I can carry my purse. In fact, I can just flip it on my back. I can do everything now. The pain is gone, totally gone. I am a new person, and I'm totally healed, and no sense in having to go see anybody else. I recommend this place to anybody because, especially when you're in a lot of pain, come here first. They will help you. You'll get healthy, and you'll get well, and you'll have your quality of life back.